Patrick, and I am a finger fluid artist. Finger fluid art combines finger painting and fluid art and helps save you time and frustration in creating beautiful fine art. If you would like to learn finger fluid art, please stay tuned. Painting also needs touching up. So I'm going to touch here up. I don't know how this happened, but it did happen. And it's okay. It's finger fluid art. So I mixed up some blue and white here, and I'm just going to touch it up with this. And that is fine. You know, sometimes you put things to dry and they fall, or someone comes and knocks it over, and that messes up your painting. But you know, it's finger fluid art, and it's fine. We can deal with that. You just touch it up, and keep it moving. Okay? I need to add a little more white here. All right? And of course the edges. Don't forget your edges. I'm just touching it up. And again, we're not looking for perfection here. We're just looking for something we can enjoy for the rest of our lives. Admiring our work that we have done, and that it was effortless. Okay, this is okay, but I'm going to touch it up a little bit here. Okay, so we have the appearance of clouds and sky. Okay, and that's it. That's it. So this is how you touch up your foreground. Now when I put it to dry, I put it up like this, and the painting started flowing down. And that's fine. This is just the background. We're going to have flowers in the front and stems coming down here for the flowers and the leaves. So this is just fine. It adds a nice fluid look to the painting. And next time I'm going to be doing the foreground. Some people like an impressionist painting like this. They would stop here. But we're going to do a foreground on this background. Okay, so next time we're going to work with this and do the foreground. Thank you. Okay, so today we're going to begin putting our foreground, which is a bouquet of flowers. We're going to do the background for the bouquet, and then we're going to put the flowers in when that dries. Okay, so now we are just going to do the branches, and we're not going to do a typical branch. We're going to put a metallic stem. So it's age bronze, Perga silver from Chroma. These are from Chroma. Some brown. So a little bit in some acrylic black from Simply Acrylic. Any black will do. Oops. I'm at the end of my black. No other black. Hold on. Oh, where's my black? Okay. All right. There it is. And I'm going to put just a little bit of gold to get some highlights in it. Okay? And you mix that in. And again, you keep it marbleized. You don't mix it completely in. And we're just going to do strokes like that to create the stem for the bouquet. Like that. It doesn't have to be neat and clean, because this is like finger painting, and you know, if you've done finger painting, it's not clean. It's not perfect. You can use your whole finger, and then you can have your stem comes out like that from the side. Next one, even create some dark leaves, some background for your leaves that will go on later. Okay. And this is the beginning, not the end, of your twigs and stems that you will create and leaves. Okay, so we're going to wait until that is dry, and then we will continue. Okay? All right, so that's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, so last time we started putting down the background for our flower bouquet. And if you remember, we are going to use this bouquet of flowers for a reference. We're not going to do it exactly. We're going to have some of these flowers and some lilies and lavender and different other types of flowers and leaves. Okay? So it's just a reference. We're not going to copy everything exactly. We're not going to spend a lot of time trying to create the leaves exactly the way this is and all of that. So we're going to use it as a reference to create our finger fluid art bouquet of flowers. Okay? Thank you. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to lighten up the leaves a bit, and we're going to use the gold and the aged bronze to lighten it up. We're going to do a mixture of that. We're going to use a lot. And we're going to add it to the center. To convey that depth. On each branch. On each stem. Okay, now the leaves, we just put a background for the leaves. And that is going to be mostly green. And we're going to add a little glitter to that. Okay. Okay. So these are the stems. These are the leaves. I'm going to put a little color, the glitter on it here and there. Okay. A lot of these will be covered up with the flowers. They will have mostly green on them, but they have a little of this color also. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm going to do the leaves, and then we're going to put the flowers on top of the leaves. And we are using the reference, so it will be mostly the white, blues, and purples. We might throw in some other colors as well. Whatever we want, we're going to add. All right? Okay, so let's create our leaves for the background. I'm going to use a darker yellow. And also some of this bright yellow. So we're going to do a mixture of these colors for the leaves. Ready? Okay. Now, I like creating my leaves upside down, turning the painting upside down to create the leaves. I think it seems to just come out better when I do that. So these are your leaves that you are creating. There's no rules and regulations saying this has to be this way or the other way or anything. It's your leaf. You are creating it however you want. Okay? Now you say, oh, this doesn't look like leaves, really. It does. It certainly does. Just need a little imagination and you will see all the leaves you want to see. Okay, so we're just doing like this and making leaves here and there. In between the flowers, we will have some more leaves, right? Coming off the stems, we have little leaves here and there. Okay. Okay. So if you are being helped by these videos, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can know when my videos are uploaded. Thank you, and God bless you.